If you're shopping for an SUV in 2025, you've probably noticed one big problem. There are so many options, but not all of them are built to last. Some look good in the showroom, some impress with flashy tech, but 5 years later, you're dealing with endless repairs, expensive parts, and a car that just doesn't hold up. But here's the thing, certain SUVs are built differently. These are the ones that consistently run for 200,000 miles, even 300,000 miles, with minimal issues. Cars that mechanics respect, owners swear by, and that deliver reliability year after year, no matter how rough the road gets. So today, we're breaking down the 7 SUVs that last forever. These aren't just good enough cars. These are the ones that dominate reliability studies, keep their resale value sky high, and are trusted by families, adventurers, and even taxi fleets worldwide. And trust me, some of the SUVs on this list may surprise you, because while a few are obvious picks, others have flown under the radar, yet they've proven themselves as some of the most durable machines ever built. Stay with me till the end, because not only will I reveal which SUV sits at the very top, but I'll also share a bonus pick that could be the smartest long-term investment of 2025. So, let's dive in. Toyota Land Cruiser. If there's one SUV that has earned legendary status worldwide, it's the Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of durability. The Land Cruiser has been around for more than 70 years, and during that time it has built a reputation for being virtually indestructible. Whether it's climbing rocky mountains, crossing deserts, or towing massive loads, this SUV never complains. It's trusted by explorers, military units, and even humanitarian organizations in some of the toughest terrains on Earth. Why does it last so long? A big reason is Toyota's engineering philosophy. The Land Cruiser is built on a body-on-frame chassis, which is the same type of structure used in heavy-duty trucks. That design alone adds decades of strength and stability. Then you add Toyota's naturally aspirated V8 and V6 engines designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues, and you've got a powertrain that's nearly bulletproof. Owners often report crossing 300,000 miles or more with nothing but routine maintenance like oil changes and brake pads. In fact, there are countless stories online of Land Cruisers still running smoothly after 500,000 miles. That's not just a vehicle, that's a lifelong investment. But here's the kicker, the Land Cruiser isn't just about reliability. It also has comfort and luxury baked in. Leather seats, advanced infotainment, and safety features make it as comfortable on a city commute as it is trekking across the Sahara. Compared to other SUVs in its class, like the Range Rover or Jeep Grand Cherokee, the Land Cruiser doesn't just last longer, it avoids the nightmare repair bills those competitors are known for. Range Rover owners often struggle with air suspension failures or electrical gremlins within the first 100,000 miles. The Land Cruiser? It shrugs those issues off and keeps rolling. And here's something buyers love, resale value. Even after 10 years, a used Land Cruiser can still command shockingly high prices. That's because everyone knows it's going to last. In fact, some buyers treat a Land Cruiser as an asset rather than just a car. If you want an SUV that feels like a fortress on wheels, something you can pass down to your kids, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the gold standard. Lexus GX. If you love the legendary reliability of the Toyota Land Cruiser, but want a touch of luxury and refinement, the Lexus GX is the SUV for you. Think of it as a Land Cruiser in a tuxedo, rugged under the hood, elegant on the outside. The GX is built on the same body-on-frame platform as the Land Cruiser Prado, which means it inherits decades of proven off-road durability. Whether you're navigating snowy mountains, muddy trails, or city streets, the GX offers unmatched structural integrity that keeps it performing reliably year after year. Its engine lineup is simple but powerful. Depending on the model year, you'll find a smooth V6 or a robust V8, both derived from Toyota's proven powertrains. These engines are designed not for sheer speed, but for longevity. Owners consistently report hitting 250,000 to 300,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance like oil changes and brake pads. In a nutshell, the GX shines where many luxury SUVs stumble. One of the key elements of the GX's reliability is its conservative engineering philosophy. Lexus doesn't rush to implement untested tech. Instead, every new feature, whether it's adaptive cruise control, infotainment, or advanced suspension systems, goes through rigorous testing. The result? Luxury without compromise on dependability. But the GX isn't just about engines and frames. Its interior quality is built to last. Premium leather, real wood trim, and high-quality metal components mean the cabin ages gracefully. Seats develop character instead of cracking, and controls remain responsive long after other luxury SUVs start showing wear and tear. Another factor that sets the GX apart is resale value. Owners know that Lexus builds SUVs to last, and the demand for used GXs remains strong. Even after 10 to 12 years, you can sell your GX for a significant portion of its original price. That's financial security in addition to mechanical reliability. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience. Many reliable SUVs sacrifice comfort or handling, but the GX strikes a balance. It offers a smooth ride, impressive off-road capabilities, and a luxury experience that makes every journey enjoyable, whether you're commuting in the city or exploring the wilderness. If you want a luxury SUV that lasts forever, combines off-road toughness with comfort, and keeps its value for decades, the Lexus GX is simply unbeatable.
Toyota 4Runner. If there's one SUV that has achieved almost mythical status in terms of longevity, it's the Toyota 4Runner. And in 2025, the 4Runner continues to stand as a symbol of reliability, durability, and raw toughness. The story of the 4Runner is simple but powerful. Toyota built it for people who need a vehicle that works hard, lasts long, and rarely lets them down. While most modern SUVs chase luxury trims, turbo engines, and futuristic features, the 4Runner still carries a rugged DNA that reminds you it was designed for adventure and survival. What makes the 4Runner special? Let's break it down. First, the engine. The 4Runner comes with a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter V6. Some people say it feels outdated compared to today's turbocharged engines, but here's the truth. This engine is a legend. It's simple, reliable, and doesn't depend on forced induction or complicated tech that could fail down the road. Owners regularly push these engines to 300,000 to 400,000 miles with just routine maintenance. That's insane longevity by today's standards. Second, the body-on-frame construction. Unlike many crossovers that are built like cars, the 4Runner is still a truck-based SUV. That means it can handle rough terrain, tow heavy loads, and survive the kind of punishment that would cripple a unibody crossover. It's why you see old 4Runners still running strong in Africa, South America, and remote regions all over the world. Third, the aftermarket support and owner community. This is often overlooked when talking about reliability, but it's important. The 4Runner has one of the most loyal owner bases in the world. Parts are easy to find, mechanics know how to work on them, and online communities share every trick to keep these SUVs running forever. That kind of support network adds years to the life of the vehicle. And finally, let's talk about real-world proof. You don't have to take Toyota's word for it. Just look at the used market. A 10-year-old 4Runner with 200,000 miles still sells for a shocking price because buyers know it's going to last. That resale value is proof of its reputation. So if you're in the market in 2025 and want an SUV that can literally last you a lifetime, the Toyota 4Runner isn't just a choice, it's one of the safest bets in automotive history. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable and practical family SUVs on the market, making it a perfect choice for anyone who values longevity, versatility, and peace of mind. Since its introduction, the Pilot has been engineered with Honda's legendary commitment to quality, blending everyday usability with long-term durability. Under the hood, it features a robust V6 engine designed to provide smooth power delivery while maintaining exceptional reliability over hundreds of thousands of miles. Many owners report hitting 250,000 to 300,000 miles with minimal issues, often limited to routine maintenance such as oil changes, brakes, and tire rotations. Unlike some of its competitors that introduce complex turbo engines or untested technology, the Pilot relies on a proven powertrain, which ensures that the vehicle continues to operate reliably even as it ages. Its transmission is equally durable, offering smooth gear changes and avoiding the common issues seen in many modern SUVs, giving owners confidence that their Pilot will start every morning. Beyond the engine and transmission, the Pilot shines for its well-built interior and practical design. Seats are constructed to withstand heavy use with materials that resist wear and tear and maintain comfort even after years of daily driving. The cabin layout is intuitive and durable, with controls, knobs, and buttons that continue functioning perfectly long after the vehicle has accumulated significant mileage. Families appreciate the Pilot's thoughtful storage solutions, 3-row seating, and cargo capacity, which allow it to handle both daily errands and long trips without strain. Additionally, Honda's attention to reliability extends to the Pilot's suspension, chassis, and overall engineering. The vehicle delivers a smooth, stable ride, and its components are built to endure a variety of road conditions, from city streets to uneven rural roads, further cementing its status as a dependable SUV. Real-world owner experiences reinforce the Pilot's long-term reliability. Many report that their Pilots remain mechanically sound well beyond the 200,000-mile mark, and the brand's strong resale value reflects this confidence. Even older models with higher mileage are in demand on the used market because buyers know in Honda's reputation for durability. Maintenance costs are generally reasonable thanks to the availability of parts and widespread dealer support, making the Pilot a cost-effective choice for families who want a long-lasting SUV without worrying about expensive repairs. Overall, the Honda Pilot combines practicality, comfort, and Honda's engineering excellence into a package that can serve families faithfully for decades. It's not the flashiest SUV on the road, but when it comes to reliability, longevity, and real-world usability, the Pilot consistently ranks among the very best choices in 2025. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has built a reputation as one of the most reliable and practical compact SUVs in the world, earning the trust of families, commuters, and long-term owners alike. Since its introduction, Honda has maintained a consistent focus on engineering durability and everyday usability, making the CR-V a truly vehicle that stands the test of time. Its naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, paired with either a CVT or a traditional automatic transmission, depending on the model year, is designed to provide smooth, efficient performance while avoiding the complexities that often lead to costly repairs in other vehicles. Many owners report driving their CR-Vs for over 200,000 miles with minimal issues, often limited to routine maintenance such as oil changes, brakes, and tire rotations. The transmission, a 6-speed automatic, is also built with durability in mind, avoiding the complications often found in continuously variable transmissions and providing smooth, reliable performance over the long haul. The CR-V's build quality further enhances its reputation for reliability. Every panel, joint, and interior surface is carefully constructed to maintain its integrity over time, resisting wear, rattles, and fading that can plague other compact SUVs. The interior materials are durable yet refined, giving the cabin a premium feel while still being resilient to heavy daily use. Seats remain their comfort, controls stay responsive, and the infotainment system continues to operate smoothly even after years of use. Mazda's attention to detail extends to the vehicle's suspension and chassis, which are tuned to provide both a comfortable ride and consistent handling, reducing stress on components and further contributing to the SUV's long-term reliability. Owners also praise the CR-V for its versatility and practicality. While it delivers an engaging driving experience, it doesn't compromise on space or functionality. The cargo area is generous for a compact SUV, and the interior layout is designed for ease of use, making it ideal for families, commuters, and anyone seeking a vehicle that balances enjoyment with day-to-day practicality. Mazda's commitment to longevity is also reflected in the CR-V's strong resale value. Buyers know that a used CR-V still has years of reliable service ahead, making it a smart investment for the long term. In short, the Honda CR-V is more than just a compact SUV. It's a practical, long-lasting, and cost-effective investment that delivers peace of mind, durability, and a consistent driving experience year after year, making it one of the smartest choices for anyone seeking a reliable vehicle in 2025. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has earned its place as one of the most reliable mid-size SUVs on the market, combining Toyota's legendary engineering with the versatility and comfort that families and daily drivers demand. Unlike many SUVs that focus on flashy technology or bold styling, the Highlander emphasizes long-term durability and practicality, making it a smart investment for those looking for a vehicle that will last well beyond a decade. At the heart of the Highlander is a robust 4-cylinder or V6 engine, depending on the trim, paired with a smooth, automatic transmission that prioritizes reliability over sheer performance. Owners regularly report exceeding 250,000 miles on the original engine and transmission, with only routine maintenance required along the way. Toyota's conservative engineering approach ensures that every component, from the drivetrain to the suspension, is built to endure years of use under various driving conditions. The Highlander's body and chassis are also key contributors to its longevity. With a unibody construction reinforced with high-strength materials, the SUV maintains structural integrity over time, resisting the common signs of wear and tear that plague many modern vehicles. Its suspension system provides a comfortable, stable ride, whether navigating busy city streets, suburban roads, or weekend getaways on rougher terrain. This combination of durability and comfort makes the Highlander a vehicle that feels reliable and safe for every member of the family, mile after mile. Inside, the Highlander is thoughtfully designed to withstand heavy use while remaining functional and comfortable. Seats are built to resist sagging and wear, controls remain precise and responsive, and the infotainment system continues to operate smoothly even after years of use. Families appreciate the practical 3-row seating, ample cargo space, and intuitive storage solutions that make it easy for daily errands and long trips effortless. The Highlander Hybrid further enhances longevity by combining Toyota's hybrid technology with its traditional powertrain, reducing engine stress and improving fuel efficiency, all while maintaining the brand's legendary reliability. Real-world owners consistently praise the Highlander for its low maintenance costs and exceptional dependability. With regular service and basic upkeep, the SUV continues to operate reliably for well over 200,000 miles, and many examples remain in excellent condition even at higher mileage. This reliability also translates into strong resale value, as buyers know that a used Highlander still has plenty of life left, making it not just a reliable vehicle, but a wise financial decision. In short, the Toyota Highlander delivers a combination of longevity, comfort, and everyday practicality.